Hello again, lovers of bus cartoons, or cartoon buses. This is another ChoroQ, and I had to open this one up because I had no clue what I was looking for. Google Translate always has 2 or 3 different variations of what that text is, but this website helped out. Turns out this is a tour bus for Mount Fuji. Fuji Kyuko is where this thing led to. And anyways, so that's the box. It comes in this little plastic thing to prevent scratches to the paint. So that goes in the trash. And this is the only very low resolution image I could find of this bus. But I believe it matches. The turn signals are in the right location. 4 headlights. The license plate doesn't match, but you know, you got the yellow up here. And then you got the stripes along the side. So here's some more modern ones, you know, but same livery of paint. You know, all these stripes and the brand itself. So, okay, very nice. So it's a funky little molded green, very light green. It's not olive, it's much lighter than that. It's kind of like a gray with some green tint, and it has matching wheels, which is kind of nice. And then this is some sort of printing, you know, on the fender flares and this stripe. So that's nice. And then you got some chrome printing for the window surrounds, so that's pretty cool. We got the molded in light details, and then they're painted on top of that, so very good. I don't know what that text is. It looks the same as this side, so that must mean Fuji Q. Number 229 on the license plate, and then we have some printed wiper blades and just a blank bus route there. This side we have a door, very short, of course, being the Choro-Q. And then on the back we have some molded in, you know, I can feel the ribs there, and then color separated taillights. These are flat. Bumpers molded in, painted silver, 229 again, and then the silver paint again on the back. You can see some very abbreviated seats inside, and oh, this case a steering wheel as well, so that's pretty nice. Unfortunately, you can see the post holding that thing together from being crushed. And then on the top, a whole bunch of air vents or air conditioner units or something like that. So this is a nice one. You know, it has a lot more detail than I'm used to from the buses from ChoroQ. What's it say on the bottom here? It doesn't even say high grade or anything like that. It's just plain. So that makes me think this is custom ordered, you know, from this company. And this company wanted to have a lot of details. Maybe they even commissioned this casting. Anyways, it's pretty nice. I like it. Let's get a few more buses up here. Okay. Alright, well, I got this little city bus here. I don't know what these buses are, though, you know, what brand of buses. You would think that these bus companies would actually put a brand on the front end of their buses, but they don't. It's very strange. So yeah, there's 5 very rectangular looking buses, of which I have absolutely no clue who makes these buses. Are they Hinos, Isuzus, Nissans? I don't know. If anyone knows, please leave a comment. But what I like is all these castings by ChoroQ are all different. Just by looking at the roofs, you can see different details on every one of them. So I like it. Alright, well, it's time for this guy to spin on its own with the cartoon brethren. Alright, well, since this is a Japanese tour bus, I got a Pikachu. So, a little yellow matching the bus up top there. Alright, well, another different unique casting from ChoroQ. Seems like it's almost endless, the amount of stuff that this brand has done. ChoroQ's been around for over 40 years, bear in mind, so if you're going to go down the collecting route of ChoroQ's, be mindful, it might never end, because there's going to be a big backlog of you trying to get certain castings. At least that's my experience. But if space is a concern, that's why I like these things, you know? If this is a true 64 scale bus, it would be probably 5 times as big as this thing, right? So, alright, maybe 10 times. Alright, well, thanks you for watching anyways, and like Pokemon, I must collect them all. Alright, bye.